Right now I'm gonna drink it with my cookies. I'm gonna eat my cookies. How's everything? So I'm Ulysses and thank you for playing this video. Hey, hola amigos, it's time to make some milk. Yes, I'm pretty sure that you're boring to do the regular nut milk. But right now it's time to improve it or do a different kind of milk. Yes, all the time plant-based and try to make it at your home. I recommend you 100% that. Try to buy organic nuts. Also, right now I'm gonna make avocado nut milk. I know that this sounds weird, sounds like crazy, right? But because it is. So I hope you get the idea, I hope you get the recipe too. Don't skip the video and let's do avocado nut milk. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it. What do I need? One strainer. One strainer, or also this nut bag. Everything is right here. So for our milk, I'm gonna use this base and this standard. How much? A little bit more. A little bit more. Nothing here is waste. I won't throw away anything. 1 cup of oats. Yes, 1 cup of oats by 3 cups of water. Oh my god, you're seriously? This was almost exactly. I'm gonna use this standard, but also if you wanna make it more light, use 4 cups of water. Just blend it by 1 minute, no more than 1 minute. 30 seconds to 1 minute is good. I won't do that again. Stop, it's ready. Okay? 1 bowl and 1 cheese, 1 nut milk bag. Of course, clean nut milk bag. What I'm gonna do, you know, I'm gonna strain that milk. Also, if you're doing other activities at your home, I recommend you do this. Just leave it right here and right there and keep doing whatever you're doing. For sure, be careful, just straining or little by little. Don't squeeze too hard because that could happen again to me. If that happened to me, it's gonna happen to you. Right now I see 1 bowl. I'm gonna save it and dehydrate it for my flour. Once you are until this point, this is our base. Yes, all base. Looks amazing. I'm gonna add a couple ingredients. What about those ingredients, or what kind of, or what are those ingredients? I'm gonna bring out a little bit more or real the flavors with, and my main ingredient. You know, avocado. Boom. I hope it's all green. I hope there is no black parts. So once I was cutting 1 avocado and my knife, I cut the seed. I throw the seed or my knife pass or was throw the whole seed of that whole is not. What is this? hueso. Never mind. Just be careful when you're cutting one avocado. And I'm gonna add it just a quarter of avocado. So once it's blended, I'm gonna add it pieces by pieces, little by little. Look at this, it's turning into green color. Wow! Looks like matcha color. Looks good. I'm gonna try to smell it. The smell of nut milk. I have something extra. How everyone is free to do whatever they want with their food, I feel free for do whatever I want with my food, so why don't add it a little extra? A little extra flavor of fatty. So 3 minutes later, let's see how it looks like. Oh my god, it smells good. The smell of two avocado. If you're not fan of avocado, you won't love it. Can you see? Oh my god, it's amazing. Look at this. So did you see how easy it is to make avocado nut milk? I hope you get it. It's very easy, just make sure to do it on your own way. If you don't have, I mean right now I use vanilla and agave, but if you don't have vanilla or agave, you can substitute them. You can use another sweetener, dates also, but make sure you strain well the milk or not the big pieces of dates in there. Also you can use spices if you want. It's not necessary added an extra oil, avocado oil, because the avocado, you know that there is oil in there. Right now I'm gonna drink it with my cookies. I'm gonna eat my cookies. Please go and make your beautiful avocado nut milk, please, and tell me what you think about it. For sure you're gonna love it. Ta 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 ta. See you guys. Peace and it's not peace and love, it's peace and avocado nut milk.